Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the app is on the newest release so icon options are available. Once updated, back up any custom icons to avoid loss, then open the app and navigate straight to Settings, then Appearance or Icon Settings. You are doing this now to access the interface where icons are changed. Make sure permissions for storage are granted so the app can read imported icon packs. If an icon menu is hidden, search within Settings for Icon to reveal it quickly. Once in the icon settings, pick between built-in options or import a custom file. You want to tap Import and browse your images if you prefer a custom look. Make sure the image meets size and format requirements. Apps often expect square PNGs or SVGs at specified dimensions like 1024 by 1024. After selecting, crop and adjust alignment. Then name the icon and explicitly assign it to the correct app or shortcut. This you finish by tapping Apply or Save and letting the app refresh the launcher or update its cache. This step commits the new icon. Once done, check your home screen to verify the change, and if it doesn't appear, restart the launcher or the device to force an update. Make sure to clear the app cache or reinstall the latest version if problems persist, because cached resources often block new icons. A key troubleshooting tip: remove and re-import the icon with correct dimensions before retrying to apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.